Mga ka-MB, ang makikilala nating susunod ay isang consistent honor student.
Wow.
Isa siyang beauty queen.
Mm.
Isa siyang model.
Mm.
Aspiring fashion designer.
Apat.
Isa siyang musician, singerist,
And then?
at dancerista.
At saka ballet.
At ballet nga, dancerist.
dance.
Ballet dancer. Nako, sino kaya siya kilalanin natin dito sa Yang Totoo? Mga ka-MB, play, pause, and perform. Kilalanin natin ang multifaceted child star ng Baguio, si Charlie Willow Novillos, ang rising child star ng Baguio City. How are you, Willow?
I'm having a very good day po.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
You're just starting the day, but you're already having fun with it.
Oo, look at your lashes.
Yeah, I hope every employees do that too. To enjoy the first day of classes. How young are you again? Can you remind our audience?
Hello everyone. I am 9 years old already po. My birthday was July 14 po.
Oy,
Oh,
belated
belated
happy
happy
birthday!
birthday!
What do you want to receive as a gift on your next birthday?
More talents po.
Oy,
Ayaw pakabog.
pakabog.
Ang dami-dami lang.
Oo nga, ang dami mo
Oo.
ng talent. 7 na.
Ang dami nun.
Oo.
We mentioned earlier that you're a consistent honor student. Where do you study and how do you do this? Like being a consistent honor student.
Actually po, I used to be in another school po, pero now I'm in BMI. And I am a consistent honor student po because I work hard so I can get very high scores po, and I'm enjoying all of my lessons po. That's why.
Sana.
So,
Ay,
dapat
ganun
pala,
ba?
ine-enjoy mo ang mga lessons mo para maging honor student ka. We learn from the kid.
Mm.
We have
Have to
to learn
learn.
how to enjoy what life throws at us. Para ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung buhay mo.
Alay.
At magkaroon ka ng gold
Gold
medal.
medal.
How
Oh,
many medals do you
oo.
already have?
Um,
From school, ha?
Actually po, there are no medals po.
Oo.
It's only certificates po, pero pag recognition po, that's the time we get a medal.
Wow. So, you already got a medal na.
Mm-mm.
I think I have maybe 3 of them from my old school.
Uy, marami na yun.
Dami-dami yung
Oo.
tatlong medal na yan. Are you planning to sell them? Just
Oo, pero grabe. How do you balance naman your, di ba, nag-i-study ka, o at the same time, nagmo-model ka pa, nagpi-play ka pa ng mga
ng
instrument. Oo.
Well, I balance them by just enjoying them. That's how I can also balance them po.
Oh, so see, you enjoy every facet of your life. Wow.
Hindi ko kasi ni-enjoy. Nung bata ako, puro
When did
recess.
you start joining pageants? Kasi ang dami mo ng pageant na sinalian eh. You have Miss Panagbanga 2023,
Yes.
2024, 2022.
Tama po, no?
Tama, no?
Tas Miss...
25.
oo,
Oh,
tas-
ang dami na.
Ang dami.
Oh, when did you start? At what age did you start to, want to join pageants and become a beauty queen?
Actually po, I want to start because in 2022 Panagbenga po, I was just 6. And throughout the years, I was already 7 and 8. At the age of 8 po, that's the time I learned that I wanted to join pageants po. But there's also a little bit of wanting from my 7th time po.
Oh, so, tingnan mo.
Grabe.
7 beses ka nang pala
Ano bang ginagawa ko
na
noong 7 ako?
nagpa-pageant. 6!
Ayun,
6
6,
years
7,
old.
hanggang 8.
Anong ginagawa mo noon?
Ginagawa ko noon.
Ako ang dungrit-dungrit ko sa harapan ng bahay namin kasi naglalaro talaga ako ng mga putik-putik at saka mga kung anik-anik sa labas.
Ako ang ginagawa ko
Oo.
noon, nagluluto-lutuan lang ako.
Yeah.
Oo, bakit hindi ako sumali ng
Yeah.
pageant?
Who inspired you to become a beauty queen?
Actually po, I want to start by thanking my model mentor, Miss Laika, and my model coach, Coach M po. And my family also, and the designers who helped me learn how to show off my outfits are Miss Laika as well. She's also a designer. Miss Grace, Miss Melanie, and Sir Chris po. And also my family po. All of them are part of my journey through what I have been going through, even though times were hard po.
Oh, pero do
times
you
were
have a
hard.
specific beauty queen in mind whom you really look up to?
Actually po, I look up to all of them po. It's just because I just want to explore more po.
Ikaw, may
Explore.
beauty. Are you exploring? Are you Dora?
Well, sometimes,
Yeah.
yeah. Are you?
Soy bien!
Uy, pero
Where are we going next? To the beach!
Oh, 'di ba nasabi mo nang ilang beses ka na sumali sa mga pageant.
Oo.
So ano ka na, marami ka na ring mga friends, tama ba?
Apa.
Oh.
And I almost forgot pa. I also thank my tita Steph po. She was the very first one who made me a tutu po when I was a baby po.
Tutu dress!
It's actually this one po.
So kung ulit siya, reimagined?
Imagine.
Oo, tsaka revitalized outfit.
Ay, ang
ganda
cute.
naman! Nakakatuwa.
Diba?
May tanong ako. So, di ba from being a beauty queen, tapos ang dami mo ngang mga sinusuot, then you suddenly wanted to become a model as well. Oo, nakailang rampa ka na ba?
I think I had a lot of ramps already because I cannot keep count of them anymore.
Sobrang dami mo
oo.
nang sinalihan.
Pero why do you like modeling din? Kasi ang galing mong maglakad. I saw you one time, no? When you were walking, you're already like a professional and your photos as well.
Well, po, it's actually I like modeling because it's also like presenting of like your personality, because you can also pose the way you want to po, and it's like you can be free in modeling po.
Tama.
Totoo yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi ka nahihiya. Kasi, di ba, marami ng bata ngayon na they don't want to post na o
Yes, they're
mag-aura-aura.
very shy.
Shy na, oo.
Pero ikaw hindi.
Hindi ka ba
Bakit?
nahihiya?
Oo.
I'm not shy po because everyone believes that I can do everything. They always cheer for me, and that's what helps me become stronger and better every time.
Now, I know kung bakit marami na itong nasa lihang pageant.
Di ba? Talino ng
Talino,
bata.
nanggigigil ako. Iuwi ko
Ganyan
to.
ako nung bata ako. Ewan ko kung anong napakain sa akin. Parang kumain yata ako ng susu dati. Start akong kumain ng susu. Nawala kaagad.
Kakasultop mo ba na?
Kakasultop ko. Nawala talaga. Pati yung brain cells ko na sultop ko na.
Nasultop mo na.
Nakakaloka. And at the same time, you also wanted to become a fashion designer. Oo.
I wanted to become a designer din po kasi it also represents me, myself po. And if I were to become a real designer, I would also want to like show off how that I also sing, do drums, and do ballet po. All of the talents po that I do.
Oo, ang dami nga, no? Paano napasok? Oo,
Oo.
ang isang Willow sa musika.
Oo.
Kasi sumali siya sa mga ka-MB, dati sa isang musical sa Burnham. Sa kwan yun, iba yun. Sa pagbabalay niya, Nutcracker,
Yeah.
dito sa may Burnham dati. Pero yung pagkanta, ang dami mo ng mga, anong tawag mo dito? Recital.
Recital.
Oo. Paano ka napasok sa music?
Actually po, I'm not that sure of how I went into music po. Pero all that I know is that I just wanted to explore more things in the world po. That's why.
So you tried everything na.
So, dapat pala ang pangalan mo.
Willow
Dora the
the
Explorer.
Not
Oo.
Willow
Not
Nobilios.
Willow.
Yeah.
Oo. Dora Willow. Willow.
Duilo. Oh, pero grabe.
Diba? Parang gusto ko yun. Ang galing naman na you explored everything, even ballet dancing. What else do you want to do? Do you want to also to do sports then?
Yeah?
Actually po, in my school po, there are two gyms po. One for badminton, one for basketball. Every 2 weeks, I do badminton first, and then the next 2 weeks, I do basketball po. I enjoy much po.
Are you not tired?
No, po.
I am tired.
Bakit ganon?
I am exhausted.
You're already 9, right?
Oo.
But hearing you do these things,
Mm.
when I was 9, I want to go home and cry.
Cry. Yeah, I wanna go
Oo.
home and sleep.
Yes, because before, at 9, I was just playing family computer.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo.
Kakaloka.
Parang lahat na lang ng activity sa school, gusto mong salihan. May dream ka pa bang gustong salihan, Willow?
Well po, all of the things I said po are my dreams. So, I'm actually already in them po, in my own way po.
So wala nang specific. Basta lahat i-explore mo, ganan.
Apa.
Sarap.
Oo, ang daming. Parang ayoko na. Parang pinamukha ng batang ito sa akin na hindi talaga ako tunay na tao. Hindi ka tunay na tao
Oo.
kapag wala kang activities
Activities.
pagbata.
Alam mo, parang dahil sa'yo, naisip kong, tamad talaga ako.
Hindi, pero
Oo.
napakaganda that we have Willow here at a young age. She's already an inspiration to other young kids as well. With yung sa kapareho niyang edad, 'di ba? Na at 9, you can do a lot of things kasi sabi nga nila YOLO eh.
Ano yung
YOLO, yung nilalarong ganon.
No, that's yo-yo.
Oh, sorry,
you only
sorry.
live once.
Ay, sorry.
yun
Yeah.
yung
And
ganun.
you're having fun at a young age. Do you think you will get tired soon or not pa?
That will never happen po because of everyone who supported me po. I don't want to waste their hard work po. And so I won't do as mine in my old school, in my new school po.
Oh, di ba? At least, nasa new school siya.
Oo,
New things also. So, may sports ka na. Meron kang modeling, may pageant, meron kang music. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang meron na pwedeng
Oo
gawin?
nga.
Oo. You want to do skydiving?
Oo, or construction.
Oo, construction. You want to make your
Oo,
own house?
Ganon. Yun.
Actually po,
Oh,
maybe I might do that po when I'm older.
Alam
Okay
ko na,
na.
interior designing.
Oh.
Designing po, I can start doing that now po because when it was my 9th birthday po, I already had a fashion show po where I showcased all my designs po. Based on my friends, personalities.
So,
ka na.
may designs ka na, shino mo na siya. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, minsan, wag ka na sa damit mag-design.
Oo.
Mga building na ang i-design mo, mas
Oo.
mayaman ka
Ka
doon.
doon. Alam mo, may gagawing condo. May
Oo.
gagawing building. Ituturo kita.
Yun na lang ang
Talaga.
gawin mo.
Oo.
Baka next time, interior designing. Diba? You get to create your own room. Make your room beautiful. Are you also thinking about that because of that smile eh?
Actually po, I have some relatives po outside of the Philippines, and one of my ninongs, Ninong Francis, he owned the condo po, so maybe I'll try and do that also po.
Ang
See?
gigigil ako.
Bigyan
Iuwi
pa
ko
natin
to.
siya ng idea.
Oo.
Oo. Why
Ano
don't
ba?
you become humwa? Hair and makeup artist.
Oh.
You also do that.
Oh. Yes?
Well, I used to have practice papers po, and I was using pastels and crayons.
Thinking that it's your, makeup.
Ano nga
Apa.
ba yung sinasabi ko? Ang dami-dami.
Mami,
Mami, anong pinakain mo sa
Oo.
batang ito? Pwede pa ba kaming
anong
humabol?
vitamins? Pwede pa. 22 pa lang naman po ang babaeng ito.
Oo.
Pwede pa
Ako
po.
26 pa lang. Kaya pang humabol.
Pero
Siguro,
nakakainis.
Mami. Oo. How many are you in the family? How many siblings do you have?
I only have one sibling, and we are only, we used to be 6 in the family po, pero my opa, or as you can call also my grandfather po, moved to America, so we're only 5 po, but he's still a family member to me. It's like he's still living in our house.
Wow naman. So, yung kapatid mo, how young is your kapatid na?
She is 3 years old, and her birthday was just on August 24 po.
Recently
Recent
lang.
lang.
Do you also plan to become a model for her? Like, when she grow up, she will just be like you, doing a lot of things and not get tired? Are you a robot?
Well, I would like to help my sister on her journey po. Just like my parents did po.
Di ba?
Diba?
Malay mo, ipasa niya yung corona.
Corona.
Sabi, pagod na ako, ikaw naman, sister. Sabi
Akala ko
niya
hindi ako
ganun.
mapapagod. Ikaw pa
Oo,
rin.
napagod
Oo.
din pala ako.
Diba?
But what do you really want to become when you grow up?
Once again po, I want to become all of these things po at the same time. How? Paano?
Oo.
Well, I
Ako
should...
nga isa lang eh.
Oo, gusto ko lang maging tambay,
Nung sinabi ko
actually.
dati gusto kong maging firefighter,
Oo.
hindi natuloy.
Mm.
Oh, nasa lang buhay ko nga, Diyos.
Hindi, oo,
Pero you want to
yun-
become everything. So you're a superwoman.
Well, actually po, how I would become everything at first po. First, I was at ballet muna po before I went to all of these. So, just like how I started ballet, I'm gonna start with ballet first before I move on to all of the things that happen next in my life po.
Oh, so little by little, step by step. One
Apa.
step at a time. Sabi. Who's your favorite singer?
Taylor Swift, Bruno Mars, Michael Jackson.
Wow, Michael Jackson.
Jackson.
Very classic. So, can you give us an example of Bruno Mars song?
Oh, kala ko Michael Jackson. Nag-expect ako ng Michael Jackson.
Yeah, what's your favorite song? Now.
Bury Me, Cruel Summer, Black and White.
Can you sing one of them?
Yes, I can sing all of them actually.
Ah, sige nga, you try one
Kasi
nga.
isa lang, sabihin ng
Oo,
tatlo.
try mong isa. Sample.
It's a cruel summer, it's cruel. That's one time no bruise.
Yun yung kay Taylor Swift, right?
Taylor Swift.
Yung
Oh,
kay
Bruno
Bruno Mars.
I think I wanna marry you.
You want to marry me? And then Michael Jackson.
But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white.
Ang alam ko lang kasi nakanta ni Michael Jackson. Then the two of us, the three of us.
Ay, hindi, wala akong alam na
Then the four of us, the five of us.
Ay, may ganyan pang
You know
kanta?
that song?
No.
Then the six, and then
Is that
the
right?
seven,
Tama ba yung kinakanta
the
niya?
eight, and then the nine.
I don't know this song po.
The title is Band.
Band.
Count 1 to 10. Di ba? Oo, nakakatuwa naman. What is your message to all the young kids just like you who also wants to do a lot of
Oo.
things or just be like you?
Well, for all of the kids out there, I would just like you to dream harder, work harder, and become more confident. If you just believe in yourself and your parents believe in you, you may also receive your dreams po. Thanks to my parents po, all of the people who helped me is the thing that I want to happen to you all po.
What's your message to your mom?
Mama.
Kasi I can see your mom is kinda,
Crying
crying
Crying na
already.
kanina pa siya
Oo.
nagwa-wipes ng tears niya.
Yes, bakit?
I want to say to my mommy, I love you.
So cute!
Uy, babagkit, wag kang mag-alala.
Oo. Do you want to thank anyone
Friends.
else? Your friends.
Oo,
You say hi
shout
to
out
them
I
them.
want to thank my model mentor and my model coach, Coach M and Miss Laika. My other designers, Miss Laika, Miss Melanie, Miss Grace, Tita Steph, and also Tita Kirsten, who owns Diwata po.
Your friends. Oh,
I
Your
also
friends.
thank my friends, my school, and all of my family members, even the ones who are out there.
Yes.
Pa
So,
daw.
meron pa daw.
Oh.
Sino? MC.
And also MCPT po.
Oo. Si Sir, ano kasi yung pangalan niya? Ikyong. Oo, si Sir Ikyong. Hi, Sir Ikyong. Oo, pogi din yan siya.
Actually,
Kilala mo siya?
friend ko siya sa Facebook.
Tsaka magaling siya mag-take ng picture.
Yeah, alam mo, nakita ko
Thank
sa-
you, Sir Ikyong, for the future photo shoot namin
sa,
ni
Miss Angel.
Miss Angelica.
Apo, shout out po sa'yo.
Yeah, thank you very
So much,
much,
Willow.
Willow. We enjoyed talking with you.
You're welcome po.
And I
Oo,
hope
very
you,
kwan, no? Very witty, very smart.
Oo, alam mo nasa iyo na lahat.
Accurate. Nasa iyo ng
lahat. Do you know
lahat.
that song?
Wala sa aming
No
dalawa.
po.
You
Walang
know that?
natira sa...
Wala nang natira.
No po.
No, wala
Kanta
na.
yan. Rap yan dati.
Oo, mga 1970s. So, sorry.
Wow, ah. Wow, ah. Ubus na daw. Ay, alam ko mga ka-MB, nakakatuwa naman na isang inspirasyon ngayon mula sa isang batang 9 years old at ang kanyang kwento ang ating napakinggan. And it's one thing na we really have to, we do not just look up to people who are older than us.
Mm-mm.
Sometimes you also need to look up to people who are younger than us who's been doing a lot of things na hindi natin kayang gawin. But they are showing you na at that age or what age you are, you can still pursue whatever you want in life.
And I really hope na yung mga kabataan dyan, yung mga bata dyan, or any age naman, magaya natin si Willow na talagang ang dami niyang tinatry na mga activities and talagang mas nakiki-engage na siya sa mga tao rather than sa mga gadgets.
Yes! Oo, maging Duilo tayo.
Mhm.
Hashtag
Duilo!
for today's video. Dora Willow.
Willow.
Oo. Ngayon mga ka-MB, maraming salamat ulit.